What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I think you probably know where I am. I'm at the new volcano here in Iceland. So I'm just getting my stuff ready. You can probably see in the back of the car here, full of gear. Just waiting for my friends now to arrive at the car park. So I think they'll be here in a few more moments. Once they get here, we're on our way. We're going to begin the hike to the volcano, and it looks to be about 1.5 to about 2 hours or so. But yeah, we're going to check that out, and I'm going to leave all the information you need to know in the video. So, well, let's just go. The epic trek begins from Car Park A on the old Fagradalsfjall walking path, which is also Path A. The SAR teams have spent countless hours prepping the trail with wooden markers in an effort to prevent people from getting lost in the Icelandic weather. It's greatly appreciated, as you can see, because the entire trek to the volcano was shrouded in low-hanging clouds with a bit of light drizzle. Anyway, the hike into the new fissure is quite easy for most people, but you will have to take it at your own pace. We knew we arrived at the site of Earth's newest volcano when we heard the eerie yet familiar sound of crashing waves and a tint of orange to the fog. Cresting the hill and getting below the clouds, we finally saw what we came for, the Meradalir volcano. Moving a little closer to the fresh lava, you could probably hear a faint cough. And that's me after getting a big whiff of sulfur to the face. I didn't want to stay here too long, but the sound the raindrops made upon the recently cooled lava was just something I had to record and share. And to hell with the gas poisoning. Now, what you've all been waiting for, the drone shots. Sit back and enjoy. So we're here, we finally made it. It's dinner time, so I think we're going to get these sausages on the go. Yeah, hopefully we can get close enough here to grill it. I don't really want to go so much over there because it's yeah, fresh lava. It's about 1,000 degrees, so I'm just going to give it a go here, I think. Okay, let's give it a go. Not so good there. Let's try in here. Wait. Woo. Getting there. Oh shit. Almost ready? No. A bit longer. Go. Not too bad. Try that one out. Nice. Get flooded first.
Oh, amazing. Ah, it's hot.
Yeah.
Perfectly made.
Try the other side.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Amazing. Lava sauce.
Bad. Just flip it over. Very nice. See? Wow, what a night. We finally left the volcano around, I think it was midnight. Took us about 2 hours or so to walk back to the car park, and then finally we left the car park around, about 2 a.m. I think it was. I ended up sleeping in my car because I just didn't really want to drive home at that stage. So now I'm finally up, grabbed myself a burger from the local burger joint just down the road here. And I think I'm going to eat something and then finally drive home. So well, thanks for watching. It was a pretty incredible experience again to see these volcanoes erupt. And for sure, I'm going to be heading out there in the very near future, hopefully on my next days off, and hopefully with better weather as well, so I can actually fly the drone around and check out the older craters and the old lava fields, and basically just see where the volcano is up to. So stay tuned and see you in the next episode. Big thanks to my colleagues Levi and Max for sharing some of their incredible drone footage with us. Links to all their socials are in the comments below. Remember to check out our website where we are now offering hiking tours to the volcano itself. There are a few options to choose from, so go take a look and get in touch over at vividiceland.is.